Hi guys, we're back working on this Acura TLX 19 model. I'm going to show you guys how to remove this outside door handle. Very simple. Remove this guy first. Whatever tool you want to use, you can use a flathead, a pick, or your bare hands, and there's a 10 right in there. That's pretty simple. Oh, make sure it doesn't fall. Subarus, it has a retainer to hold it. This one just fell. This thing should just slide out like this. Then I went there, fell out. And this should slide this way. Gotta unplug it. So you gotta make sure that your window is up. And then in here, there's a plug right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. You won't be able to see it inside. I'll show you on the outside. This plugs right here on the handle side for the door. And then you can remove these things and paint the car as you please. And then get the bolt from the bottom of the door. Going back in, slide this puppy back in this way, and then this guy needs to go in like this, and then make sure you slide that way. Okay. Very simple. And then put the other piece back in, which would be this guy. Put this guy back in here. Lift this up a little bit so you can get around it. And then put that 10 back in there, drop in the bottom of the door, which I'm not going to because we're going to take the car apart anyways. But that's how you do that. That's how you remove and replace, reinstall the door handle on the outer door handle on the driver's side of a TLX Acura 19 model. Base model, lower model, high end model, they're all the same. Can't go wrong. Okay guys, subscribe to our channel.